All you'll need is something like a Torx screwdriver or Phillips head screwdriver, and then an old plastic card. Firstly, remove any items from the salad drawer and then remove it from the fridge. If needs be, heat the plastic with warm water or a hairdryer to make it softer and easier to work with. With your plastic card, slot it in the side and push it against the clear salad drawer cover as shown. Then, with your Torx or Phillips screwdriver, gently push carefully on the plastic clip whilst pulling the drawer cover away with the handle. Repeat this process on the other side. You'll then be able to fully remove the cover front from the drawer. Now, with your new drawer front cover handle, attach it to the top of the drawer first. Then flip it over and push together to connect the two plastic clips. You'll hear a noticeable click once they're in place. Pop any items back in the drawer and in the fridge. That's it, your new salad drawer cover front handle is all set to go.